Gucci, what have you found there? You found something. You found a treasure. What is this? What is this? Hey, you. What you find? You wanna open it? You wanna open it, boy? You wanna open it? Open it, boy. Open it. Open it, boy. Come on, boy. Open it. Come on, boy. You got this. Come on, boy. Open it. You got it. You got it, boy. You got it. You got it. You got it. You almost got it. Look at that toe. Look at that little toe. Come on, boy. Open it. You almost got it. You know what's in there, huh? You really want that. Let mother help you. Say, please, mommy.
It's probably like, what is that?
She's a very beautiful mother and she wants to surprise her baby boy.
So this is a
What's that?
package.
Gucci. Come on, Gucci. You almost got it. A little bit more bites and you got it. Come on. Come on. You got it. Ah, you opening it, boy. You open it. That are yours. Take it for you.
What is that, baby?
I help you now. Since mama helped you, I'll help you out too. Come on. Put it on. Look. Right here. Put it on. Come on. Wow.
Wow,
boy.
good
Wow,
boy. What is this?
Boy.
Look.
What the? Put it on, boy.
Look. Oh.
No, that's mine, mama. Don't touch.
What is it, baby? Look. Look what's inside. Look, baby.
That's for you. Wow.
Wow.
Pow, 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 pow. That one for
Look.
you. Look.
Wow.
Wow, Gucci, you really must love your shoes, huh?
Look.
Another one, Gucci.
Wow.
Another shoe you can play with, Gucci. They're all for you.
They're for you, baby. These are not to be chewing on. Let's show them how it looks like, baby. Let's show them how it looks like. These are Gucci's little foams.
Oh, wow. What you mean, boy?
Oh, we're about to put them on here. And let's see.
Let's see how Gucci walks. He gonna be moonwalking on everybody, boy. What you mean?
I hope they fit.
Gucci, what
Wait,
you mean?
wait.
What you mean? What you mean, boy? What the?
Gucci, wait.
Come on, sit.
Sit,
Sit,
baby.
baby. Come on, sit.
Sit.
Wow, that's a good boy.
Good boy.
Nobody. Wow.
These are his little treats. They're little bones. They're so cute.
They're so cute.
Alright, stay.
Did you unzip it?
Yes.
Okay.
I just hope his little foot fits in there.
That beautiful boy. Another treat for being beautiful.
Look, bien dejada. He lets him show.
He said he want another treat for this one. He wants like
You're
2
gonna
treats
get
per
another
foot.
treat, okay?
He wants 2 treats per foot. I his negotiator. Right, Gucci?
I'm scared his little fur is gonna get zipped up.
Okay. 2 treats for that one, please.
Gucci, why is this in your...
Can I put it on and you record? Because it
Okay.
looks... Sit down, okay?
You want another treat?
Sit down.
Sit.
Straight.
Good boy.
Okay, Gucci. Patita primero. Okay?
Good boy.
Okay, he said he want a treat for that. Pa.
Good
Okay.
boy. One more.
Now let's do that one. Just lay down, boy.
He got tired. So y'all are probably like, why are you putting this on him? And we have a good reason. Why, baby?
Because we're going out shopping and he gotta look beautiful.
Well, that was really not my reason. But it's raining outside and Gucci hates the rain. Like when he goes outside, he automatically wants to come back inside because it's raining. So hopefully...
Okay,
with
he
these
want another
shoes-
treat, please. Now, I'm gonna get you on your tummy, okay? Stay. Give him a treat for staying. Give him a treat for staying.
He's gonna choke if I give him a treat laying down.
Okay. Stay, okay, Gucci? Stay, okay, Gucci?
He's so cute. Let's see how Daddy puts on his little shoe.
You gotta make sure his little fur doesn't get zipped up, so I'm gonna tuck it in.
No, pues sí sabe.
Sí, yo sí sabe.
How you feel, sir? Talk to everybody. Oh, what? He just hit the camera with his paw.
Hey, like, get that thing off of my face.
How you
No
feel?
paparazzi.
How you feel, baby?
Okay, last one. Okay, last one.
One more.
Stay.
Hold on, baby.
Good
You're about
boy.
to get
Who's
a
good
treat.
boy? You're a good boy. Now,
Cute.
time to realize the moment. Let him get on by himself.
Okay.
Gucci, let's go.
You wanna go outside? Let's go. Come
Let's
on.
go.
That's not his.
That's not his?
Stop. That's not his. Look at his tail. He's like, I am not with it.
Come on, Gucci, follow me.
He said, take this thing off of me first. What's up, baby? I take it off of you? Okay. Daddy just loves torturing you.
Okay, Gucci. Time to look like a little good boy that you are, okay?
And his jacket?
There we go. Jacket, where's the jacket?
Mírala. He's posing for the camera.
Next one.
Why that one look so weird? Daddy's like, nah, I gotta fix everything. My son cannot be looking weird.
That one. Gucci, para que aprendan los perritos como ser bien obedientes como tú.
Wow, Gucci.
Look over there,
Look.
Gucci.
You wanna go outside? What? You wanna go outside? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go outside. Let's see how he goes downstairs. Gucci, please don't fall, baby.
Don't let him go downstairs. He's gonna fall. Babe.
He's a good boy. Why are you underestimating my son?
Why couldn't you go over there to the other side?
Because he loves pooping here.
Come on, let's go.
You see, he got it. Right, baby?
We got this under control.
Let's go pee pee poo poo. Guys, it's raining outside. So he's barking at the guy, but he can't go nowhere.
Now look at me. I am in Spain. I'm suffering. Come on, Gucci. Come, pee, pee, poo, poo.
Excuse me, you took out 3 legs or what? Okay, let's go upstairs. Come on, let's go to the car. Excuse me, you step on my shoe.
Let's go.
You need to know that when you have shoes, you can't step on other people with shoes. Come on. Good baby. He's gonna lose a lot of weight. He's like, why I just stop?
Let's see how he gets inside the car.
Go inside, baby. Oh, wait. This is Mama's purse. Okay, go inside.
Yes, because you gotta go inside so he can go inside.
Hi, Gucci. Come on. Good boy. You're such a good baby. Oh no, the camera got away. So now we're gonna go shopping, right, baby? We're gonna go shopping. Yeah. And we'll see ya
Next week.
We love you all and God bless.
God bless.